Money is the dream of every student. So in this video, I will show some genuine ways on how to earn money at home for students in India. Gone were the days when 10 to 20 rupees were enough to survive as a student. Now, we need more money to manage our expenses, especially when we have a girlfriend. If you want to work before or after class, you can work online. As there is a huge growth in the online industry of making money. In this video, I will show you 8 ways on how to earn money at home as a student in India. Now, let's get started. 1. Become a freelancer. As a student, you can work as a freelancer from your home to make money online as a student in India. A freelancer's job is to complete any given task in a given period of time. You are free to choose which work you want to do as a freelancer. You can choose any work in which you have great knowledge. As a student, if you have Photoshop skills, then you can work as a logo designer or even edit someone's photo. You can do voiceover, translation, logo design and do many more things to earn a decent amount of money. 2. Become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is generally self-employed and provides services remotely from a home. You can provide any types of services like administrative, creative or technical support services online. You can work with other people to gain experience and make it as a career. Virtual assisting is something that you could be doing for any small business. As a student, you can work as social media assistant. In simple words, you can manage someone's social media account. 3. Become an online teacher. Online tutoring is no longer a big deal. If you are good at anything, whether it's science, math, English, computer or anything that you can teach to your juniors, then you are eligible to give online tutoring service and earn money as a student in India. In India, more than 30 crores students go to schools. By this, you can estimate how big the market is. 4. Become a video influencer. Video influencers are growing rapidly in India. The main reasons behind this are large population, more mobile phones, and low-cost internet connectivity. Many people love to watch videos instead of reading something, and that's why video contents are getting more popular these days. You can start video influencing on any topic that interests you. It can be cooking, maths, programming, art, craft, or you can teach any instrument or any other things through YouTube. 5. Become a blogger. If you do not want to appear on a camera, you can start blogging. To start blogging, you need to start a blog or website where you can write articles or reviews of any product. Blogging has become the most trending and successful way to earn money online as a student in India. You can start your blog and make money. You can earn by showing ads on your blogs and also with affiliate marketing. Many people and students are already making money online with blogging in India, because this is the easiest way to earn money as a student in India. 6. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a way of earning commissions by recommending someone any type of product. Whenever you drive a sale for the company or any person whose product you are selling, they will give you a commission. There are many affiliate networks where you can create your profile and start working right now. Some popular affiliate networks are ClickBank and Amazon affiliates. 7. Become a translator. If you can speak 2 or more different languages, you can make money with the translation job. Some websites where you can register yourself and start working are Italki and Verbling. 8. Become a reseller. You can also work as a reseller online while you are still a student. You can buy any product directly from a seller and sell it online on e-commerce websites like Flipkart and Amazon. These websites charge small fees including shipping charges, and the rest of the amount is yours. Many people are taking advantage of this opportunity working from their homes. As a student, this is a great opportunity to earn a handsome amount of money with little effort. As you can see, there are a lot of options to earn money at home for students in India. You just have to choose what totally matters with your interest and what you like. Do you want to get more options to earn serious income from home? If your answer is yes, then click the link in the description box below this video.